Welcome back. My guest today is Dr. Aris Thorn, urban sociologist. Dr. Thorn, your recent paper discusses third places, not home, not work, but those essential community hubs like caves, libraries, and parks. Why are they undertreated? Thank you. It's a confluence of factors. Rising commercial rents, digital substitution. Why go out when you can swim? And frankly, poor urban planning that prioritize traffic flow over human gathering. The consequence isn't just less coffee drunk in public. It's increased social isolation, weaker community bonds, and a loss of spontaneous interaction, which is a bedrock of innovation and civic health. So it's more than just losing a favorite boxer. Precisely. It's about losing the infrastructure of casual citizenships.